The register.php script required some similar changes. For the sake of brevity, I'm not going to walk you through all of them, but let's have a look at the salient ones. To begin with, we've used the same includes that all the other files have. We've also added another field here, which is the email field. And this email field is input within the HTML form at the foot of the register page, and there's also a show email pair of checkboxes. We don't need to check for their input because there's a default value, so it will either be 1 or 0. Other changes that we've made that are significant changes are there's an extra query performed here. And what this does essentially is it takes the user ID after the user's details have been added, and it logs that with the session as logged user ID. Then the other changes are essentially stylistic changes where the look and feel of the site has to be maintained. The next important part that's been changed in the login system that we made before, if we save this into our Great Debate folder and close it. The next thing is the main. If we look back in examples, this main script here was what we were using in our login system before as the main page of the site. Now, because we really do have a site here, we're going to have to make a lot of changes to this script, and we're going to do that in our next movie.